The farmer. So I loaded my bag of seeds and headed for the farm. When do I become a farmer? As seeds germinate or as I harvest. They called me farmer the day I heard that fruit in the seeds of my arms. I could have lost the land that bore my fruit. What school does one attend to become the best father? Or one must learn as he gets along on this sacred journey, a journey bound with mistakes both trivial and grievous. Someone please awaken the father in me, for I fear I have become one.